Hello friends, welcome to the channel of Paramhap. Today we see the introduction to ICS Q11. Please like and subscribe the channel. That is a development and manufacturing of drug substance, chemical entities and biotechnological and biological entities. This is published on 1st May of 2012. This is a document history. Then there is a table of contents. Then the development and manufacturing of drug substance and biotechnology and biological entities ICH. Q11 Introduction. This guideline describes the approaches to developing and understanding the manufacturing process of drug substance. What is the guideline for the developing and understanding of manufacturing of drug substance? Also provides the guidance on what information should be provided to Model 3 of the Common Technical Document, that is the CTD. It addresses aspects of development and manufacturing that pertain to drug substance, including the presence of steps designed to reduce impurities. In addition, ICH equivalent provides further clarification on principles and concepts described in the ICH guidelines on pharmaceutical development, that is ICH Q8, then quality risk management ICH Q9, then pharmaceutical quality system, that is Q10, as they pertain to development and manufacturing of drug substance. A company can choose follow different approaches developing the drug substance. A company can be choose to different arrangements for the development of drug substance for purpose of this guideline. The terms of traditional analysis are used to differentiate two possible approaches. In a traditional approach, set points and operating ranges for process parameters are defined. Drug substance control strategy is a typical based on a demonstration of process reproducibility. Testing meet established assessment criteria. In an enhanced approach, risk management and scientific knowledge are used to more extensively to identify and understand process parameters in operation that impact critical quality attributes, sequence, and develop appropriate control strategies applicable over the life cycle of the drug substance, which may include the establishment of design specs. As discussed in ICSQA for the drug products, a greater understanding of the drug substance and its manufacturing process can create basis for more flexible regulatory approaches. The degree of regulatory flexibility generally predicted the level of relevant scientific knowledge provided in the application for marketing authorization. Traditional NNS approaches are not mutually exclusive. A company can use the either traditional approach or enhanced approach for the drug substance development and combination of both. Company can choose other traditional development for development of a drug substance. In scope of this guideline, the guideline applicable to drug substance defined in the scope sections of ICS guideline, that is ICS Q6A and Q6B, but might also be appropriate for other types of products following consultation with the appropriate regulatory authorities. In particular, development event of the preparation and organization of the concept section of the Model 3 Common Technical Document SHM4Q. The guideline does not apply the contents of submission during the clinical research stages of the development. Nevertheless, the development principles present in this guideline are important to consider during the investigational stages. Regional requirement for post-approach changes can be covered this guideline. The manufacturing process development or general principles in the manufacturing principle. The goal of manufacturing process development for the drug substance is to establish a commercial manufacturing process capable of consistently produce drug substance of the intended quality. The goal of the drug substance development, commercial manufacturing of BPI, consistently produce the quality drug substance as per the intended quality. Drug substance quality linked to drug product. The intended quality of drug substance should be determined through consideration of its use in a drug product, as well as the from knowledge and understanding of the physical, chemical, biological, microbiological properties of which can influence development of the drug. During development of the drug substance is intended to be drug substance to be used in a drug product. The physical, chemical, and biological microbiological properties of the drug substance could influence the development of the drug product, that is the finished formulation. The solubility of drug substance can affect the choice of dosage form. The solubility of the drug substance impacts the choice depending on the drug substance formulation. The quality target product profile QTPP, potential sequence of the drug product, that is ICSQ, and previous experience from related products can help identify the potential sequence and of the drug substance. Knowledge and understanding of the critical quality attributes can evolve during the course of development. Process of development tools. The quality risk management, that is QRM, described in the ICSQ name, can be used with a variety of activities, including the assessing options of design of manufacturing process, assessing the quality attributes and manufacturing process parameter, increasing the assurance of routinely developing batches of intended quality. Risk assessment can be carried out in the early development process. Repeated knowledge and understanding have become available. Either formal or informal risk management tools, such as recognized tools, internal process, can be used. The knowledge management, that is ICSQ team, also facilitate the manufacturing process development. ICSQ can used during the facilitation of process development. In this concept process, potential sources of information can include product knowledge, development studies. Product knowledge can include established biological, chemical, and engineering principles. In technical literature, applied manufacturing experience, data derived from the relevant prior knowledge, including the platform manufacturing, can be leveraged to support development of the commercial process and exhibit scientific understanding. Approaches to development. ICSQ approach recognize the strategies for development vary from company to company, from product development. ICSQ recognize for the strategies for the development of product can vary from company to company, from product to product. The approaches to extent of development can also vary, should be outlined in the submission. The concepts apply equally to the development of drug substance manufacturing process. An applicant can choose either a traditional approach or an approach to drug substance development, or combination of them. The candidate can be choose for traditional or an approach for the development of a drug substance, or combination of both. Manufacturing process development should include the minimum the following elements. What is included of manufacturing of the process development? Identify the potential sequence. Identify potential sequence associated with the drug substance, that those characteristics having impact on the drug substance quality can be studied and controlled. Defining the appropriate manufacturing process. Then appropriate manufacturing process should be defined. Defining the control strategy to ensure process performance and drug substance quality. Control strategies to define for the process performance and drug substance quality. The enhanced approach of the manufacturing process development would additionally include the following elements: the systematic approach to evaluating, understanding, refining the manufacturing process, including the identifying through prior knowledge, experimentation, risk assessment of material attribute, that is raw material, starting material, resolvents, process, and intermediate process parameter that can impact on the drug substance sequence, determining the personal relationship that link material attributes and the process parameters that substance sequence, urging the enhanced approach to the combination with QRM to establish an appropriate control strategy, which can, for example, include proposal for the design spaces. The increased knowledge and understanding obtained from the taking of an enhanced approach and facilitate continuous improvement and innovation throughout the product life cycles. Then drug substance critical quality attributes. Because CQA is a physical, chemical, and biological property of characteristic that should be within appropriate limit. What is a CQA? Is a physical, chemical, and biological, microbiological properties. Characteristic should be at to appropriate limit. Then distribution ensure the desired product quality. Potential secure sources can be used of guide process development. The list of potential secrets can be modified as drug substance knowledge and process understanding increase. The drug substance sequence typically include those properties or characteristics that affect the identity, purity, biological activity, and stability. When physical properties are important with respect to product manufacturing performance, those these can be designated as sequence. In case of biological, biotechnological, and biological products, most of the sequence of the drug products are associated with the drug substance. These are result of design of the drug substance in or its manufacturing process. Impurities are an important class of potential drug substance seekers because they are potentially perform drugs product safety. For chemical entities, impurities can include organic impurities, that is potential mutagenic impurities, inorganic impurities, that is metal impurities, residual solvents, that is ICS3A and 3C. For biotechnology and biological product, impurities may develop be process related or product related. Process-related impurities include cell substrate-derived impurities, disease, whole cell proteins, SCP, and DNA. Cell culture-derived impurities, media content. Downstream-derived impurities, that is column leachables. Determining the sequence for the biological and biological products should be include consideration of contamination, defining the ICSQ 6, including the all Alternatively, trauma is not intended to provoke a infection process, advantageous viral and bacterial mycoplasma contamination. The identification of sequelae for complex products can be challenging. Sequelae identify for the complex product is challenging biotechnological and biological products. For example, typical process such as a large number of quantity attributes that can might be possible or fully evaluate the impact of safety and efficacy for H1. Risk assessment can be performed to rank priorities quality attributes. Prior knowledge can be used to beginning of the development assessment of the can be literaturely updated. Development data, non-clinical and clinical studies during the life cycle. Knowledge regarding the mechanism, action, and biological characterization should be studies evaluating structural function relationships that contribute the assessment of risk of some product authorities. The manufacturing process development program should identify which materials attribute their raw material, starting material, reagents, solvents, process sets, intermediates, and process parameters should be controlled. Risk assessment can help identify material attributes, process parameters with the potential for having a drug product sequence. The material attributes, process parameters that are found in important drug substance quality should be addressed by the control strategy. The risk assessment used to help define the elements of control strategy that pertain the material substance from the drug substance can include the assessment of manufacturing process capability, attribute detectability, then severity of impact as they relate to the drug substance quality. For example, when assessing the link between the impurity in a raw material and intermediate and drug substance sequence, the ability of the drug substance manufacturing process to remove that impurities and derivative damage should consider as a assessment. The risk related to impurities can usually be controlled via specification of raw material and intermediates or robust purification capability in downstream stage. The risk assessment can also be identify sequence bar which there are very inherent in limitations to detectability of drug substance. That is viral safety. In these cases, the such sequence should be controlled and by the appropriate point upstream in the process. For chemical entity development, major focus is knowledge and control of impurities. For the chemical entity development, what is the major focus? Is knowledge, then control of impurities. Important to understand the formation and fate. Uh, that is whether impurity reacts changing chemical structure. The period purge whether the impurity removes from and the constellation extraction, as well as their relationship to the resulting impurities that end up in the substance secure. The process should be evaluated to establish appropriate for the controls for the impurities to process through multiple process operations using a traditional average material specification and process parameters. And this can be used based on primarily on batch process history and varied experiments. An enhanced approach to lead more through understanding of the relationship of material attributes and process parameter sequence and enhance effect on interaction. Illustrate the development of process parameters using prior knowledge and chemistry of first principles. Risk assessment can be used during the development and to identify parts of the manufacturing process like the impact on product sequence. Further risk assessment can be used the focus development work where there will be better understanding link between process and quality is needed. Using an analysis approach determination of appropriate material specification. Process parameters could follow a frequency such that the ones below. Identify potential sources of process variability. Then identify material attributes and process parameters likely to have greatest impact on the drug substance quality. This can be based on the knowledge and risk assessment tool. Design and conduct studies, mechanisms of the kinetic evolution, multi design experiments, simulation, modeling to identify and confirm the relationship of material attributes, process parameters, including drug substance sequence. Analyze and assess the establish appropriate ranges including the establishment of design spaces desired. Small scale models can be developed and used support process development studies. The development of models should be account of the effects and representative of the process material process. The scientifically justified model can enable prediction of quality, can be used to support an extrapolation of operating conditions across the multiple scales and equipment. Design space is a multi-dimensional combination. Interaction of the input variables and the materials and the process where materials can make demonstrated to as a provide assurance of quality. Working within a design space is not considered as a change. Working within a design space is not considered of change. Management movement of the design space considered as can be changed would be normally initiate regulatory post approval change. When you validate with the design space is considered as a post approval change. Design space is proposed by the applicant and is subject to regulatory assessment approval. That is QA. The consideration of design basis of QA is an approach to development of drug substance product is applicable to drug substance. The ability to accurately assess the presence effect of the prohibited of material attributes, process parameter, drug substance space. Hence, the limits of design space depends on the extent of process and product understanding. The design space could be developed based on the combination of product knowledge, first principle, and empirical understanding of the process. That is model, quantitative, and qualitative. Can be supported design spaces across multiple scales and equipment. Design space might be determined per unit operation, that is, the reaction, crystallization, distillation, and purification, or a combination of selected unit operation. The design of the process, including the such design space, should be generally selected based on their impedance equation and do not necessary to be sequential. The linkage between the processes should be evaluated so that the complex cumulative generation that mole of impurity is controlled. The design spaces spans multiple units of operations can provide a more operational flexibility. The development and approval of the design species for the biological drug substance can be challenging due to factors including process and variability and drug substance complexity. Due for translational modification, these factors could affect residual risks, which is potential consequences. Based on the uncertainties on the level of residual risk may be appropriate for an applicant to provide a proposal how movements within a design space will be managed through post approval. This how movements within the design space should be managed post approval. Should this proposal should be indicate the how process knowledge and control strategy characterization methods are deployed to assess potential quality following movement within the upload design space. Submission of manufacturing process development information. The information provided in the development of drug substance manufacturing process of the applicant should identify applicable changes during the process development. Link relevant to the drug substance batches within the development stage of the manufacturing process should be used during the appropriate prepare the maximum how product is made on the stage. Experimentally, simulation used to assess the important aspects of the manufacturing process and control strategy. Process development information should be logically organized, easy to understand. Manufacturing can present the process development information in a number of different ways, but some specific information is provided below for the consideration. Overall process development summary. It is recommended that the manufacturing process development should begin with a narrative summary that describe the important milestones of the development of the process and how they are linked to assuring the intended quality of drug substance is achieved. Following should be included in the list of drug substances. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.